Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of around $3.380. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, a swing is formed at this particular level. Okay, and from there is a continuous upside. A U pattern is being formed and then an upside, so probability can be high if the price keep moving below this level. Chances are very high that it can go towards $3.24, and if the price falling below this level, a probability is high it will cross a level of $3. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so for the fall we can see towards a level of around $2.95, and if it started falling below this level, a further fall we can see. First thing that you have to note here is that bigger pattern is forming a downside, so chances can be high a bounce back can come from 3.14. This is an important level, so you can see a bounce back from this level, but if didn't bounce back, there will be higher chances that it will touch a level of $2.98, and from there it can move further down. There is a higher chances of it as soon as it started going below this level, because this particular level 2.98 is already being tested, so chances are very high it will move further low, and then there will be a zone breakout, because this level we have seen in December of 24. Okay, so it is almost around, you can say, 6 months. Probability will be high it can go further down. As soon as the price started going below this particular level, then you can say we can see it can go towards 2.84 to a level of 2.75, and from there a further fall towards $2.63. Again there will be a zone breakout, so we can see the price will fall further down and it will touch a level of $2.5. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. See, the price of natural gas depend on a lot of factors. Okay, dollar index is one of them. So when the dollar index started going upside, we see the natural gas price goes down, and when the dollar index started going down, we see the natural gas price goes up. This is what we have seen. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, there is a higher chance of going further fall, because there is a clear pattern forming at this level, so further down we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead, I have to explain you that dollar index position, because if the dollar index started going upside, we have seen natural gas price is going down, so it is supporting this trend or no. See, the dollar index started going a little upside. Okay, for today what we have seen, it is an upside movement, but it is not making a wide volatile movement. But we have seen after making a low of 100, it came up towards a level of $100.3, $48, and a swing is forming at this particular level, so we can see it will touch a level of around 101, and from there it will move towards 101.27. As soon as the price started going up this level, probability of going towards 101.7, and from there a further upside we can see to $102, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chance of touching 102.2 we can see, and from there a further upside we can see towards $103. Suppose if started going above this level, probability of touching 103.4 we can see, and from there a further upside towards 104 we can see, and then further high. But if the price didn't sustain, it can move down towards $100.1, and once started falling below this level, chance of going towards 99.8 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards 99.2. Once the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching $98.8 we can see, and once started falling below this level, a probability of touching 97.8. Okay, and if the price going below that particular level, we can see it will touch a level of 97.5, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further fall. Okay, coming back again on the net price, what we can see there is a higher chance of going further down. Okay, so you have to understand there are three things, that because this pattern is forming a downside, so if it didn't sustain, it can move further down towards $3.29, and once started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see $3.23. Okay, and if started going below that level, chance of touching 3.17 we can see, and then a further fall we can see towards a level of $3. Okay, and then there will be chances that it will fall below a level of $3. There is a higher chances of falling below $3 if the price started going below a level of 3.2. Okay, keeping that in mind, if it started falling below this level, chance of going below a level of $3 is on a higher side. Okay, and because dollar index is also trying to go higher. Okay, so if it started going below this level, we can see 3.23, then to a level of 3.14, and then a further downfall we can see towards $3, and from there it will move towards 2.99. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see towards $2.92, and once started going below this level, chance of touching 2.76 will be there. Okay, and if the price going below that particular level, we will see it will move towards $2.61. That is already being tested, so we can see there will be a further fall if the price didn't sustain this level. But suppose if started going upside, because you have to understand, as soon as the price started going below 2.6, there is a higher chances of going further down, because we can see the price will go towards a level of 2.55, and from there a level of $2.42. Okay, but suppose if it started forming a swing and started going upside, there is a chances that it can touch a level of $3.45. If the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 3.48 we can see. Okay, and once the price going above that particular level, we can see a level of 3.55, and from there a further upside we can see towards 3.68. And if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 3.70 we can see, and from there further high we can see $3.86. Suppose if it started going above that level, we can see a level of $3.94, because this pattern is supporting this trend. So you have to understand, as soon as the price started going above 3.7, there will be an upside movement and a probability of touching a level of, there can be an upside movement towards a level of 3.8 after crossing a level of 3.7, and after crossing a level of 3.86 we can see it will go above a level of 3.9, then to $12, and once started sustaining $4, we can see a further upside movement towards 4.1 and then further high. If any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.